Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture of Unit 1, Buckle Up, we will learn some new vocabulary words, their meanings, and then you will use those words in your creative sentences. At the end, we will learn about contractions and common expressions. So, let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words. Repeat these words after me. Safety, firm, seat belt, suddenly, cross, hurt, adult, speeding, distance, laugh. Now that you have learned these new words, let's see what are the meanings of these words. Safety means the state of being safe or protection. Firm means strict. Seat belt is a strap designed to hold a person steady in a seat. Suddenly means quickly and unexpectedly. Cross means to go to the other side. Hurt means to feel pain in a part of your body. Adult is a mature and grown-up person. Speeding means driving faster than allowed. Distance is the length of gap between 2 points. Laugh means to smile while making sounds to show something is funny. Now that you have come across the new words and their meanings, learn them by heart and use these words in your creative sentences. Now let's get to our today's topic, road safety. So, open up page number 6 and let's see what this topic is about. Please listen to the audio carefully.
Road safety. Suleiman and his classmates gathered in the assembly hall. There was whispering and playful pushing until Sadia's firm voice echoed. "Now, boys, you must behave. Mr. Ahmed from our local police station has come to talk to you about road safety." Mr. Ahmed: Hello, children. I am Police Officer Rashid Ahmed. I need to discuss something important with you. Firstly, why do you think it's important to wear seat belts? In case the car stops suddenly, so you don't get hurt. Mr. Ahmed: Well done. Now, can you tell me how to cross a road safely? Zishan: One shouldn't cross a road without looking around. Mr. Ahmed: Yes, you should look left and right before you cross a road. Sulaiman: You won't get hurt if you cross at a red light. Yusuf: And you shouldn't walk out onto a busy road without holding an hand. Mr. Ahmed. Right. Now